What?
So, shopping. Shop, shop, shop. Shop.
Oh, where's your chopping board? You don't have chopping board?
No. I want shop cake. I want a shop cake, Mom.
Say good morning to them.
Good morning. I want the
Magandang umaga.
shop.
Magandang umaga po.
Ako.
Oh, say it. Magandang umaga po. Magandang. Oh, say it, Meg. Magandang umaga. Kamusta kayo? Kamusta po? Ako po, si Raylin, Megan, Donato. Okay. Maglaro. Tayo na at maglaro. Tayo na at maglaro. You need to learn Tagalog, okay?
Look, Mommy.
Okay?
Look, Mommy.
Cook. Magluto.
Look, and Luto.
Magluto.
Look, cake, Mommy.
Magluto.
Cook.
Magluto.
Look. It's
Tignan.
far away, Mommy.
O, look. Tignan.
It's far away.
O, sabihin mo, look. Tignan.
Look.
Tignan. Nasaan yung ulo ni Megan? Very good. You need to learn Tagalog na, okay? Nasaan ang mata? Mata. 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 Your eyes. Yan. Tenga. Tenga.
Eyes.
Yes. Mata yan, no? Mata. O, tenga. Pandinig. Nasaan yung tenga ni Megan? Ay, ilong yan. Ilong. Ilong. That's your ilong. Ilong, nose. O, nasan yung tenga? Tenga, ears. Tenga, ears. Very good. O, yung kamay. Kamay. Galing. O, sabihin mo, Pilipinas. Pilipinas. Meg, you need to learn Tagalog. Pilipinas.
Yes.
Very good. That's your country, okay? Bansa.
Bansa.
Ay, galing.
Shopping time.
Shopping time na naman. Shopping time.
Shop. 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 Shop.
How old are you? How old are you? Meg, how old are you?
Unicorns.
How old are you?
Unicorn.
3 ka na, 3?
Look, he's far away.
Dami mo na naman toys. Diba? Hindi na tayo bumibili ng toys kasi madami na, no?
See, I have to Lego time.
Mabait ka na, hindi ka na laging nagpapabili, no? Kasi marami na to, ne. No? Diba?
I want bow. That's bow. That's for baby. It's for baby.
Malago ka? Maganda ka? Are you pretty?
For baby, Mommy.
It's yours.
For babies.
Are you still a baby? Baby ka pa? Na? Baby ka pa? Where's your daddy? Nasaan si daddy? Na?
Daddy.
Where? Nasaan? Nag-work. Nagtrabaho. Nag-work. Nagtrabaho. Ika sabihin may nagtrabaho. Nagtrabaho. Oh, dali. Nagtrabaho. Meg. Megan. Nagtrabaho. Sabihin mo na dali. Nagtrabaho.
It's
O dali na. Trabaho.